Sunil Chetri. Placing the ball to the left of the goalkeeper. See the replay again. And it goes the bar. Onto the crossbar. Mohammad Abdullah crashing his penalty onto and Jenkins scores. India 2, Kuwait 1. Looks as though it's going to be Al Taibi. Yes, Kuwait. Here he is and puts it into the net. That's how it went in. Sending good praise. Chante. All the ferry. And he scores. There goes the whistle. And Udanta puts it over. Udanta puts it over the bar. Kuwait score now. It's going to be 3-all. Gurpreet Singh on the line. Mehran. And he scores. One miss by both. Mohammad Salman backing the ball. Here it comes. And he scores. It's going to be Al Khaldi, I think. And he scores. Four. After 5 kicks, it's going to be exciting. Yeah, there goes the whistle. Here he scores. There it is. Mahesh Singh. Hajia. There goes the whistle. And he saved him. Put the ball to the left. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. Brings off an incredible save. The crowd going mad over here. Delirious change of joy here as India win the SAFF Bangabandhu Championship 2023. Defeating Kuwait by 5 goals to 4 in the shootout, sudden death penalty shootout. There it is. That shot and that save by Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. He denied the Lebanon captain Hassan Matoub, and now he is denied the Kuwait captain Hajia.